What's going on, guys? Vex Pyro back at you with another video. We are going to be doing a demo of these Neon Mist smoke balls from Hot Fireworks today. So I've used these before and these things are really good. These quite bright ones are pretty good little smoke balls. So give me a second to get them pulled out and we'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, we're all set up and we are going to start with the Neon Mist green. So go ahead, Bubba. Okay, let me pause and we'll move on to the next color. Okay guys, now we have the yellow. Oh, that one's coming right at us. Ah, decent smoke on these. Okay, let me pause and we'll put the next one up. Okay, and now we're doing the white. That one's coming right at us too. Awesome. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and now the orange. Well, Wick didn't want to go, did it? Ah, beautiful color. I really like these Neon Mist ones. Well, it's still got a little life in it. Alright guys, let me pause and we'll do another one. Okay, and now we have the purple. Well, that looks a little more pink than it does purple to me. It's still very good, but definitely looks more of a pink than a dark purple. Alright, let me pause and we'll do the last one. Okay guys, now the last one out of the plaque, the blue. Oh, that's a good blue. Alright, that was the Neon Mist smoke balls by Hot Fireworks, guys.